I found out yesterday that I was old. And I told my husband this morning, I said, do you realize I am old? And he said, how do you know? And I said, I read it in a magazine that for ages between 65 and 70, you're old. And all the statistics and things are in that age bracket. It's something I just don't get because I've never felt so alive and so immature in my whole life. In fact, I teach high school and I'm much more immature than they are. They can't get over how immature I am. They get such a kick out of me when they try to tell me things like, Miss Donner, so-and-so's picking on me. And I go, well, I don't care. So I practice all day long about being immature, and then I read that I'm old now. So go figure.